Hello everyone, this just showed up. It's quiet for a few minutes, hopefully long enough to film this. Wanted to get this filmed, might as well get it out of the way since all you see is my hands. One, I actually painted my nails for the first time in forever, and yes, Chris asked me to marry him a couple days before my birthday, which was this weekend, and I said yes, so yay. It's all over my social media, but for those that aren't on like my Instagram and all that stuff, yeah, really exciting, and you guys will be seeing this in all my future videos. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the November card kit from Simon Says Stamp, and like I said, it just showed up. The card kit's live. I've already like linked to it and everything, but now it's here. This is the Woodland Whimsy card kit. So you got an entire little watercolor set, which is kind of fun. So it just says 21 bright watercolor paints. Those that are, you know, more watercolor aficionados, I'm sure won't care as much for these, but I actually sometimes really like the cheaper paint sets because they're kind of fun to play with. And I've done videos in the past using like the really cheap chalky paint sets because I find they're fun to stamp with. Like I'll literally paint the watercolor on my stamps. Anyway, this is taped shut. And now that I actually have painted my nails, I'm trying not to like wreck them, because that's also why I almost never paint my nails, is because I chip them in the first day and then they look like crap. There we go. So yeah, just a fun set to play with though. I don't know, I'm going to play with them. And candy, of course. So you get that. There is the Woodland Whimsy stamp set, which is also just adorable. 6x8 stamp set, a big one with these cute little characters. So many little sentiments. I really like this little, like this birch tree stamp. That's really nice. That's really nice. So yeah, just such a great set. And I like too, like all these like greenery and stuff, so you can use them to like frame, but you can also probably create like little wreaths and stuff. Love it. So there's that. You also get, this was uber popular, this is the Ho Ho Deer Circle Wafer Die. I just got my hands on this, so I'm actually going to set this one aside to include in a future giveaway. But yeah, this one was super popular with Simon's last release, and I'm really glad they've kind of included it in this kit because I think it's just so cute. And with that, there's a pack of red pom-poms which you can use for like his nose. So cute. So cute. So get that. There's also, you get a sheet of the Gina K masking magic, which is really nice because for a lot of these images you can stamp them onto this and mask them. I don't know if I've ever tried the Gina K brand. It feels almost like a little more coated, I guess is the word I'm thinking of, than typical masking paper, which I would assume just means it holds up a little bit longer than regular. It's nice. So get that. There is a pack of, you get an entire pack of the Susie's watercolor cards. These are the Winter Thanks, which I can see myself getting a ton of use out of. All of the Susie's cards, and Simon has released so many of them. They come in packs like this. They're all printed onto distress watercolor paper, so you can watercolor them. You can color them with Copics, color pencils, whatever floats your boat. So you get an entire pack of them in this kit. And they're just awesome. So you can color them, adhere them to a card. And you can like die cut out a frame or just use like the image or just the sentiment. Oh, these are so fun. Life is sweeter with you. That's really cute. Love it. So you get those. You get a pack of patterned paper. You do also get, ooh, I don't have them in my, because mine was sent out earlier. I think you get a couple of little It says too many sponge tip brushes, which, oh no, those are in here, I think. Aren't they? They rolled off. They rolled off. Yeah, you get too many sponge tip brushes. Ooh, these will be nice to get into like really detailed areas with things. I might just save these on my desk and not keep them in here. So you get 2 of those as well, which are really nice to get into like really little tiny detail areas if you don't have a tiny brush. And then there's this pack of, there's this ModaScrap Forever Green 6x6 pattern paper, and it's all single-sided. So that one. Ooh, I like these wood grains. This is just a really nice, very earthy color combo. I really like the wood grains. I like all of them. They're just really pretty. Let's get all the pattern papers. And then last, but certainly not least, you get some full sheets of cardstock. We've got some Neenah Desert Storm, and then we have some Simon that says stamp. We have Fog, Ivory, and Green Leaf. I like this color combo. And then you've got like that pop of red where the little pom-poms run off too. Isn't that fun? So fun. Okay, so this was the November card kit. As always, I will have a link to the kit because you can just get the kit. There's the subscription option. There's items available individually. There's a frequently asked questions thing. I linked all of that in the description box below the video, as well as on my blog. My blog is always the very first link when you expand the description box under the video. Depending on whether you're watching it on like desktop or mobile, there'll be like a little kind of like down arrow thing. So if you click on that, it'll expand. I'll have the links. So to my blog, the supply list, info, yada yada yada, it's all there. So you can check that out below if you are interested. As always, I will be back very soon with cards and whatnot made using these goodies, trying to get caught up. It's been a crazy month. So anywho, that's it for the moment. I'll be back soon with more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing, thumbs upping, commenting. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all very soon in the next video.